Welcome to the Tetrion Flexible Woodfil Ready Mixed How-To video, where we'll show you how it can be used to fill gaps, cracks and holes in most wooden surfaces. Flexible Woodfil is a versatile filler that can be shaped and cut to your desired requirements, and its flexible properties allow it to easily withstand movement. Here, we will repair a damaged skirting board, remove any chipped pieces of wood, as it's important to start off with as smooth a surface as possible before applying the filler. Work the tube well between your fingers and cut the nozzle tip at a 45-degree angle for an easier application and apply the filler. Smooth down any excess product using a spreader and clean your tool after application. Allow roughly 24 hours for the filler to dry. You should then use sanding paper to sand down the area until a smooth and polished finish is achieved. Flexible Woodfil is great for door frames, as its flexible properties allow it to withstand the vibrations from the door being opened and closed. You'll need to begin by preparing the problem area, sanding down any raised areas before applying the filler. Then simply apply the filler onto the chipped area and smooth out before allowing it to dry. You can then sand down the area for a smooth finish. Paint over as required. Flexible Woodfil can also be used on tables, chairs, wooden joints and other wooden surfaces around the home.
Tetrion, fill, stick, bond.